for a movement that goes this.
I don't know.
Does it do this?
Yeah.
I think that goes jump.
No, and we have this one too. This one is.
Well, so look at it here. It goes this way.
Yeah.
What screw?
What do you think?
Did we put a screw in our bundle instead of?
We didn't put a screw in our steps.
Well, that one turned.
Well, but to get in there, it had to go.
Wait, that the fishy turn.
The fishy turn.
The fishy turn.
Oh, that's our screw. Yeah.
We include that in our
think so.
steps?
The fishy
Oh,
turn.
the fishy turn.
So
Where's
your
that?
ball there, what is it? It turns around.
The toy at the beginning of the machine,
Dory.
the Dory machine, it gets triggered and it spins
Wait.
at the beginning.
Yeah, it turns.
What?
The fishy. The fishy turn.
What turns?
Oh, the dory.
Yeah. This
Oh,
string is wrapping around it.
Ah, okay.
there you go. Nice. Dory is electrical. 3.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and these are my teammates. We are the Brave Badgers. The theme of our machine is surviving in the wild and working as a team.
Yay!
You want to let us know when you're ready? Let us know when you're ready. Okay, go.
Hello there. Hi, I'm Dory. You know me? No.
Oh, I love it. That's great.
Stay at your station.
Alright, yeah!
What's in the box? Marbles.
Okay.
Not yet. The tension. You can cut it with a knife. Carl, you want to give the...
We're doing this bypassing the presentation.
No presentation for them. Yeah.
Okay, hold on a minute. Pause on here. And whenever you're ready, go. Okay, let's try that again. Go.
Leprechaun!
Yeah!
Yay!
Y'all ready? Y'all good? Ready to go? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Does anyone want to do it? The judges.
He's got his arm up. How about him? Oh,
I think let him do it.
yeah.
Woo! Nice work. They're ready.
You ready? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! All right.
Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
What happened? I don't know. Oh, it's on. Oh.
Oh.
It's supposed to like go up and then the whole thing can swing. Okay. That's just it.
Oh, because it went
Something
off.
you dropped too.
Yeah.
Puts the box.
Yeah.
See, on the count of...
adult volunteer?
An adult volunteer.
Oh, are there any adults here?
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, they want.
Wait, you might be partial.
I'm always impartial.
Okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, go for it.
What you did.
What didn't happen?
Give it an assist.
Oh.
Oh, I think it's ran out of battery. No way.
Battery out. Huh?
Oh. I think you'll.
Just process.
You need to help.
No, the water is.
Yeah, I know it's going down. It's going down.
I think there's a category for that. Slowest step ever or something like that. No, seriously. I don't know if we have a prize for it this year, but.
Check if the water is done. It's very slow, probably. Wait. Just trust, man. Just trust.
Oh no, the paper got in the way.
No, it's working. It's still working.
Yeah. Oh, I know. The egg. Don't we have like exactly one? Not exactly.
Well, like isopropyl alcohol.
Guys, I'm sorry.
Oh! Oh, cool.
Mailbox is open.
The mailbox is open. Yay! Woo. Yes, 3 judges over there.
Judges?
Team Gamer.
Hiding behind this big wall. Okay, you ready?
I'll give it like an extra point for okay.
Go for it.
Yay! Chicken wing. Everybody's ready.
Okay, you ready? Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Goodbye, Carlos.
Oh.
What happened?
It missed the pulley.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
Woo! Good job, good job. Mission Rube.
I'm sorry. Judges? Waiting for the judges. Instructions.
Maggie's there.
Y'all ready? Yeah. Let's go, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, no. It's definitely better. But the vibe is there. The vibe is there.
What?
Oh, it's still mine.
Not him. What?
I think we lost all momentum.